Dude, I need a fart. Like, whereabouts, dude? I'm thinking on that couch over there. Yeah, dude, sure, but do a little fart. I don't want my wife crying about something. Whatever, man. Are you sure? Yep, I know you're gonna do a little fart. Now you don't have to say. No, that wasn't it. Oh my gosh, man. Oh yeah, the smell smells like stinky feet. Man, I thought you were doing a little one. Oh my god. Sorry, dude. La 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 la. Oh dear! Oh my goodness. What did I miss? The end. Hello, my name is Mr. Fort. Well, my real name is Brandon James Fort. And we would like Bibla Roy, well, the name's actually Keisha Roy, would like to give out a shout out to her best god sister, Tiana Van de Melen. Woohoo! Yeah! Bye.